Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, where ab is equal to 10, bc is equal to 20 and ca is equal to 30. Consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. Now multiplying equation 1, 2 and 3, we can write from equation 1 AB times from equation 2 BC times from equation 3 CA is equal to this 10 times this 20 times this 30. Or this A and this A will make A square, this B and this B will be B square, and this C and this C will be C square, is equal to 10 times 20 times 30. This will be 6 and this 3 zeros. Consider this as equation number 4. Now equation 1, we have AB is equal to 10, and taking a square to both sides, we will get left side AB, and this square is equal to this 10 and this square. So the value of A square and this B square, this will be 10 square is 100. Now if we divided equation 4 by this A square B square is equal to 100, we will get from equation 4 A square B square C square, this is 6000, and if we divided this by this A square B square is equal to 100, here it will be A square B square, and right side will be divided by 100, and this A square and A square will cancel, B square and B square will cancel, and it will be C square. So the value of C square, we will get this 20 will cancel and it will remain 60, and this is the value of C square. Similarly, from equation 2, we have BC is equal to 20, and taking a square to both sides, we will get left side as B square C square is equal to 20 square, this will be 400. And again, if we divided equation 4 by this B square C square is equal to 400, we can write from equation 4 A square B square C square divided by this B square C square is equal to, here this is 6000 over this 400, or this B square and B square will cancel, C square and C square will cancel, and it will be A square. So the value of A square, this will be this 20 will cancel, and 60 divided by 4, it will be 15. So the value of A square will remain 15. This is the value of A square. And finally, we have CA is equal to 30 from equation 3. So CA is equal to 30, and taking a square to both sides, we'll get C square A square is equal to 30 square is 900. And if we divided equation 4 by this C square A square, we can write from equation 4 A square B square C square over this C square A square. C square A square is equal to, this value is 6000 over this 900, or this C square and C square will cancel, A square and A square will cancel, and it will be B square is equal to, this 20 will cancel, and simplifying we'll get divided by 3. Here it will be 3 and here it will be 20. So simplifying this, we will get 20 over this 3, and this is the value of B square. We have to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. So A square plus B square plus C square, this will be, we have A square is equal to 15, so this value is 15, plus this B square is 20 over 3, plus C square is 60, is equal to adding this, here this will be 3, and 15 times 3 is 45, plus this 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times 20 is 20, plus 3 times this 60 is 180, is equal to 180 plus 20, this will be 200, and this 45, this will be 245 over this 3, and finally we will have the value of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to this 245 over 3, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.